Hey, you guys, this is Jacqueline Price back again, and I want to talk to you today about a 10K trade line. Um, if you're interested in getting, your credit, getting a trade line, this one here is a good one. The reason it has, and this is real jewelry, guys. This is real jewelry. It's really nice. Um, right now. I think it's located in Texas. They have retail stores in Texas and California. So these are some nice. This is real jewelry. It's nice. I mean, it's really, 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 really nice. So ladies, I know you're gonna like this. And then you get a tray line, 10K tray line. That's what's up. So let's see how it works. Let's go over some things about how it works. Okay, so here. Um, Your approval is pretty much guaranteed. You must be a U.S. citizen. You must be 18 years of age, and you must have a valid social security number. And here's another good point. It reports to all three credit bureaus. So yeah, and it's like a $10,000 revolving credit line. It has a one-time membership fee of $149. So once you enroll, you're going to pay that, and then like in a year, you pay $99. So it's actually a good thing to have, and I think it's worth it to pay $99 a year to have a $10,000 trade line on your account. And here's another thing, you don't even have to buy anything. So the membership fee, like I said, is $149.99, and then the annual maintenance fee is $99, and it'll be paid like a year from the day you start. And here's another point here. They do not do a pull hard or soft inquiry on your on you. They don't pull your credit, but they do identify you with the secure system. Okay. Um, it reports your account open to three credit bureaus on a monthly basis for as long as your yearly membership fee is paid. You can cancel at any time. At any time you decide to cancel your membership, your account will be closed. If they don't receive your yearly fee, then it will be closed. You know, um, and let's see, there are no refunds as this is a digital product. It takes between 15 to 45 days from the date you become a member for active gem jewelers revolving line of credit to show on your three credit reports. And again, you are not required to purchase any jewelry. Just keep your revolving credit line open. So then it says here, if you decide to use your line of credit to purchase jewelry from our website or in our retail locations, there will be a 20% down payment required with 24 months of zero financing. Man, that's amazing for the remaining balance. Your minimum payment will be 5% or $30, whichever is greater. There's free shipping. And if your account is disputed for any reason, your revolving credit line will be immediately closed. Okay. Let's see. If you decide to purchase jewelry using your $10,000 credit card account, please come into one of our retail stores currently in Texas and California. And so, guys, I mean, I really think it's a really, really great thing to use. I'm going to use it. I know that it is posting. They are doing what they say. And here we have it from your girl, Jacqueline Price. If you need your credit, to get your utilization up, this is a fantastic way to be approved for a 10K trade line with no inquiry, no hard pull, no soft pull. They don't even pull your credit. They just verify you. And here are the approval is guaranteed as long as you meet their below criteria. You must be a United States citizen. You must be 18 years of age or older, and you must have a valid social security number. So guys, I just wanted to bring this to you. This is what's happening right now. This is an amazing trade line. Guys, man, I'm going to post a link down below so you can fill out your application. Make sure you like, subscribe uh, to my channel, like and share the video. Like if you have any friends that need, their credit, you know what I'm saying, improve, need a trade line, this is the one to get right here. This is the one. So again, this has been your girl, Jacqueline Price, with another quick video. I will talk to you guys later.